See, that looks like a fairy dust everywhere. For Christmas, special effects. Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. So Santa came early this year in July. So this is Christmas in July mystery box collab with 7 giveaways. So this is going to be fun, and this is going to be a mystery box collab. So here is my mystery box that I'm going to unbox along with you guys, and there is also going to be a giveaway. And if you think my channel is very Christmassy and very festive, then please leave a comment. And my reindeer name is Rudolph, so leave the comment Rudolph in the comments below for my channel, and that being RUDOLPH. There is one more giveaway that for all these 7 channels, and whoever channel is more festive and whoever gets most comments would receive or would win a giveaway. So for me to enter or to win that giveaway, all you have to do is enter the comment Rudolph in the comments below. And also to enter my giveaway on this channel, enter let me think of a word. I haven't. Oh, okay, star. Enter star STAR in the comments below, and also to reach out to you, maybe Instagram handle or Gmail account, such that I could reach out to you. So once again, enter the comment Rudolph for me to win the giveaway, and enter the word star STAR for you to enter my giveaway. And the giveaway rules are: must be publicly subscribed to each channel in the collab, must be 18 years of age or older. A collab giveaway will end and the winner drawn on July 25th. No one person can win more than one giveaway. And leave your email address or Instagram handle in the comments, such that I could reach out to you guys. And YouTube is no way affiliated with any of these giveaways. I'm going to go over all the channels that you need to be subscribed to enter the giveaways, all the 7 giveaways. And you could enter all the 7 giveaways by going to their channel and entering their secret word. And the channels to be subscribed, like all the 7 channels, first being Kate Opens Up, that Canadian Girl Unboxes, and third Beautifying Em Zee, Single Mom Reviews, Mbolism C, Wicked Awesome Lifestyles, and last but not least, Beautiful Angels Juicy Reviews. So you need to be subscribed to all these channels to enter the giveaway. Now let's go over the unboxing of this beauty. And I actually got this from Wicked Awesome Lifestyles, and I actually sent my mystery box to Kate Opens Up. Alright guys, you ready? I'm super excited for this collab. You have no idea how excited I am to unbox this beauty. Let's see what we got. And this box I actually received from Wicked Awesome Lifestyles, so do check that out as well. Her channel is so nice and fun to watch. Wow. So this is what I got. It's so Christmassy. I love it. Wow, how cute is that? And it also have that jingles in here. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's see what we got first. Oh, cute. This is a hand soap, scented hand soap, and this is a penguin. Mr. Penguin. Cute, I really love it. I said Mr. because he's wearing this blue scarf. So cute. Next, what could this be? Okay, you hear that? It's some kind of liquid. So I'm thinking a bubble bath. I don't know. Reach into the reindeer poop to receive your gift. Oh wow! This is slime. See that? This is how it looks. For a second, it was like, okay, so this is slime and this is how the reindeer poop looks. My dear friends, alright, what a fun thing. Oh my god, I love this one. Okay, let's see what we have next. Okay, cute. So, oh my god, I love this one. So here is the card that I received. Thank you so much. Wishing you a magical and memorable Christmas in July. From Sherry and Erica. Thank you so much. And it also have the fun message for me. Thank you so much. So this is the card that I received. Oh my god, there are like so many items in here. So this is what I got. I'm thinking this has to do something with candy. This one is Boston baked beans candy coated peanuts. So this is what I got. That's the candy coated peanuts. Next, it's hard to guess. It's kind of bendy and softer. Some kind of apparel. Dreaming of a white Christmas. How cute is that? It says merry and bright. Love it. And this one, I think we all know this one from the shape of it, some kind of lotion. Okay, we are right. So this is a gumdrop sweet shimmer hand lotion. Okay, let's see what we have next. Some kind of journal or book. And this one is Chasing the Bright Side. That's the book that I got. That's so awesome. Let's see what we have next. A diary or a journal. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Wow. Oh my god, I love this one. You see that? Where do you get a cute stuff like this? You see this? How pretty is that? Oh my god. I love this one. Next, this is softer and bendy. Something to do kitchen decor. What is this? Wow, it's Christmas tree. And is this for a pool? But this looks like something kind of game. Let's see what we have next. Candy cane. Who doesn't love candy cane? A refrigerator magnet. Greetings from Boston. Off to our last unboxing. This. Wow. Oh my god, I love you. I love you so much. So this is a bag with so many goodies in this. I'm thinking this is a makeup goodies, but let's see. This is a hand sanitizer. Wow, how cute are these hair clips? Highlighter illuminator. Oh, I spilled it. I made a mess here. So it's supposed to be in that pan, but I think in the transit it actually broke. See, that looks like a fairy dust everywhere for Christmas, you know. special effects. Next, and this one is also Makeup Revolution London, and this is also highlighter, and this one says Moonlight. Okay, so this came intact. So this is how it looks. That's a really pretty color. Next, this is a fun cute size of some kind of lotion. Takes so much time to pack even these tiny things or gift wrapping them. I love you so much for doing all of this for me. You are such an amazing soul. Evolve hydrating serum. Next, and this is a lip gloss, and it's in the shade Sally. Next, this is a fun size cleansing spa water. It's a super magic pH cleanser. Is Sephora's fizzing star. Cute. Wow, see that? That's such a nice lip color. Next, sweet shimmer lip gloss. So this is the lip gloss we are looking. NYX Professional Filler Instant, and this is a lip color. It's a nail clipper. Thank you so much for sending that. I always need that. I always misplace my nail clipper somewhere. Okay, so off to our last product, sheet mask, daily green mask, and this one is from Police. Thank you so much for sending me all these goodies. I really loved. I can't even say how much I love this mystery box. So thank you so much for sending all of these items. I love this so much. For giveaway, so this is going to be your giveaway. This is my July BoxyCharm box, so this is going to be in the giveaway. The first beauty is, I'm going to just try to open it and then show these goodies, but the first thing is this, and this one is Detox Hair Serum Style Co Detox Hair Serum. Retails for $79. Nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir. Next item that is going to be in the giveaway is this beauty, and this is a liquid eyeliner from Bella Perry Cosmetics, and this is in the shade black. And this one retails for $20. A jet black liquid liner with a flexible tapered tip, perfect for thin strokes or bold lines. Next up we have this beauty, and this is a Mud Masky vitamin infused eye serum. Retails for $63. Wow, this eye serum contains a blend of all natural vitamin C, a superfood food ingredients essential for forming the skin. Let's see what we have next. And this one is called Pen Pal, and it's a Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen for when you need a quick look or touch up on the go and don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you. So it has eyeliner in black and a highlighter in champagne, lip pencil in mauve, and brow pencil in coffee brown. How handy is that? It's just a pen with all the makeup things that you would need for your on the go touch-ups. Nice. Okay, and next up we have this, and this one is Almer Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. Retails for $25. And this one is a complexion trio which includes sculpting powders designed to bronze and brighten your look. So this is going to be for the giveaway, and one of you guys would be getting this. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is enter the secret word, and secret word being star, in the comments below. I'm going to leave all the giveaway rules in the description below, so do check that out. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.